Well, a Senate committee advanced Emil Bove's judicial nomination, but it is not without its fair share of fireworks. The Democrats on the panel, they got up and walked out of the vote after not all of them were allowed to speak. CBS News congressional correspondent Nikole Killion following that vote. Nikole, what happened here and why were some not allowed to speak?
Well, it wasn't so much about that. It was the fact that, Democrats wanted more time to consider this nomination. More specifically, they wanted to hear from a whistleblower at the center of claims against Bove for alleged unethical conduct. And so they just said, look, this is a serious appointment. We just want more time to vet this. And so they wanted more time to debate this nomination. However, Chairman Grassley cut things off to move forward with a vote. And that's when things got very tense in this hearing. Take a listen.
I have respect for you, Mr. Chairman. We've served together for more than a decade, but this is outrageous. This is unacceptable. This is wrong. It is wrong. And why? Why? What is the rush to take another half hour to listen to people? What is the rush? What are we afraid of, Mr. Chairman? What are we afraid of? I do not understand why senators can't debate a nominee as we've done when both sides have been in the majority to take the time.
So again, Senator Booker, they're calling for additional debate around the nomination, not only of Emil Bove, but also of Jeanine Pirro, a former Fox News host who was nominated to the U.S. Attorney post here in the District of Columbia. Obviously, Booker's attempts to try to draw out this process were unsuccessful, so both of those nominations did ultimately advance. But Booker did say that this was a very frustrating day because he felt at the end of the day, both sides should be able to have a chance to litigate a nomination. And in this case, he felt the minority was silenced.
Well, we also know that overnight the Senate passed President Trump's request to cull back or cut $9 billion in foreign aid and also from public broadcasting. Earlier, I interviewed Speaker Emerita Nancy Pelosi, who's no friend to what happened overnight. So there is a ticking clock here, is there not, for them to get this bill passed?
Yeah, that's right. Well, basically, lawmakers have to pass this by Friday. When this rescissions package was first proposed by the administration, Congress has 45 days to take it up. And so we're nearing the end of that 45-day window, which would be Friday. So if Congress fails to act on this package, then those funds, rather than being clawed back, would have to be appropriated. And as they have already been done, so that funding would continue. But that being said, Republican leaders have made clear that they want to codify many of these DOGE cuts into law, whether those are cuts to public broadcasting or foreign aid. So as of now, we are expecting that final vote to happen in the House later tonight.
Nikole Killion, thank you so much. Always great to talk to you.